Yo, Urban News Journal family. Marcus Hart here, ex-soldier, faithful warrior, coming at you raw. Did you know that 64% of Americans are delaying their dreams? Buying a house, starting a business. Why? Because they're drowning in $6,000 of credit card debt. I was there. Back in Milwaukee, it was piling up family, creditors calling nonstop. But there's a secret loophole that slashed my debt right in half, and creditors are shook that you might find out. Want to know what it is? Stick with me for the next couple of minutes as I bring you some street smart truth, pro se hacks, and Jesus' first wisdom, of course, to crush that debt in 2025. Do me a favor by smashing that like button, drop a facts in the comments if debt has absolutely got you stressed, and let's dive in. Let's get right to it. So, family, I want to keep it real with you. Can we keep it real? Credit card debt in America just hit $1.8 trillion. That's enough to buy every house in Milwaukee twice. The average hustlers got about $6,000 on their cars with interest around roughly that wild 20%. But that's like a thief, though, stealing your paycheck month after month. And those reward points, forget about it. It's a straight up trap. 58% of folks spend more to chase them in a much deeper hole. Yo, let me tell you my dad's story. Ever had creditors blow up your phone? Maybe you missed a payment and now your credit score is tanking. Drop it in the comments or take a second to riff on your own grind, how debt is hitting you. So exactly how is debt hitting you? Now, I've been there, post-army, broke, staring at bills that I couldn't pay, and it felt like urban chaos was absolutely winning. But you ain't alone. You ain't alone at all. See, there's a way out. And it starts with a simple loophole. So let's break it down. So what's this loophole creditors don't want you to know? Let's get to the good stuff, shall we? Now, the secret debt loophole. It's very important that you listen to this word for word. Okay? I want you to get a checklist out. So here's the secret loophole. You can settle your credit card debt for way, way less than you owe. Sometimes about 30 cents to the dollar, and that's without a lawyer. Pro se style, of course. Just like I fought in court once. Creditors, they always act tough, but truth is they are scared. They are absolutely scared that you will use this move. So here's how to do it, step by step. Step number one, know your debt. You can go to annualcreditreport.com. It's free, no scam at all, and pull your report. You want to, while you're there, check out who you owe, how much, and what's past due. I found a free $500 error actually on my report once. Because why? I checked it. Don't skip this step. What's at all pleased. Step number two. Stack the evidence. Grab some bank statements, those payment receipts, those emails with creditors, because that is going to be your animal. I had a text from a creditor promising a lawyer payment, but they didn't expect me to save it. Call them out. Call them out for who they are. Pick up the phone, call the creditor, and say, I can pay down about 30% to settle this debt. They're going to push back, but you have to stay firm. I settled a $3,000 debt for only $1,200 because why? I didn't flinch. I stood my ground. And then, now step number four, which is important. You want to lock in. Get that settlement in writing. In writing, please, before you even pay anything. No letter is not a deal. That the hard way when a creditor tried to play me. Okay, they absolutely try to play you. So, family, if you ever try talking down a bill, maybe you got a story where you outsmarted a creditor or got played. I want you to riff for a minute. Share some wisdom or lesson you learned right now. See, this loophole, it works because creditors, they know you can file bankruptcy and then they get absolutely donut, zero. You're the boss right here. If you want to level up, my free little toolkit at marcus-hart.com, it has templates for these calls, so you might want to grab that now. Okay, but hold up though. There's traps out there that's going to be trying to keep you down. Let's talk about those scams for a second. So now, family, You search fix my debt, and boom, ads for debt relief companies promising miracles for $500 a pop. Most of them straight scams. Trust me. They charge you to do what you can do for free, like disputing errors on your credit report. But here's the truth though. You can dispute errors yourself at Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion directly for no cost. I once got a $1,000 medical bill wiped off my report in 30 days by filling out a simple dispute online. And debt consolidation, oh my God, it sounds sweet. But if you miss one payment and your credit's going to be toast, not French toast, toast. So stick to the loophole that I gave you because it's absolutely safer, cheaper, and you know what? It's going to keep you in control. The most important thing. So, did you ever fall for a financial scam before? Maybe a too good to be true offer? Take a minute to share that story or warn the family about the trap that you dodge. Do that. So, if you're stuck, you can always meet my team over here, which offers credit counseling to keep you safe. Send me a message or drop something in the comment section that tells us that you want help. Otherwise, just check out the link in the episode description and drop us spill the tea in the comments if you've seen a shady ad like the ones we talked about. But money ain't the whole fight. Let's talk about the heart of this, though. Okay. See, debt, it ain't just numbers. Family, stress, shame, feeling like you're drowning. I've been there, wondering if God just absolutely forgot me. But Psalm 37, verse 21, it says, the wicked borrow and do not repay, but the righteous give generously. God is calling you to fight debt with honor, not fear. Philippians 4 and 13, I can do all things through Christ. Put that on your chest and get a tattoo if you have to, because that's your fuel when creditors are knocking. Jesus, he wants to flip the tables on the money changers, and he's going to be flipping your situation too. So you got to absolutely pray hard, pray a little bit harder, prep harder, and trust that he has got you. When is a time, though? When is a time for any of you that faith pulled you through a money struggle? Maybe a prayer got answered or a verse hit you right there, right in the between the eyes. So share that vibe for a minute, and don't forget about my free renewal toolkit at marcus-hart.com. It has faith-based hacks to keep you grounded, and it's absolutely free. Grab it, and let's keep Jesus first. So check this. My boy Jamal in Milwaukee, he was buried in like $8,000 worth of credit card debt. He was working 2 jobs. He was barely making his rent. It was crazy. Then he watched one of my videos from back in the day, and he used the settlement loophole, and he talked down his debt. Would you believe that? He talked it all the way down to $3,500. Then he paid it off in 18 months. Now he's boosting all over the place. That his credit is great. Planning to buy a car, praising Jesus for the win. And that's you, family. One call, one letter, one prayer. It's ripples. You're not just saving money. You're reclaiming your power. Hit pause, grab a pen, and start today. And if you need extra help, make sure you let me know and take that credit counseling session with me to break free. Jamal's story is just one of many, and you can be the next testimony that maybe I share here. So that's the word, though, for the day. Urban News, Journal family, you got the secret debt loophole now. Scam busting tips and faith to keep you strong. Don't let $6,000 worth of debt just overwhelm you and that monster wins. If this hit you at all, smash that like button for me. Drop a fight on in the comments and share this with a brother or sister that is stuck in debt. And don't forget to grab my free renewal toolkit at marcus-hart.com. And it's got those templates you need to crush debt. And if you need more credit help, let me know. I have a link for that in the episode description so you can get some counseling. Subscribe, hit that bell, join the crew at transformyouliveshow.substack.com for weekly faith, fire, heat. Keep it real, Jesus first. Peace out, and many blessings.